In this video, I want to talk about how you can change the deposit limit inside of Webull. Now, there are currently no way that you can just go to your deposit limit and change it however you want, but there are some different ways to do this. So usually Webull will put a deposit limit depending on your security level and stuff like this. So what you need to do is you need to do the account verification. Now, the more verification that you provide, the higher your limit might be. Now, the second one is security and compliance. And this also means that if you buy the level 2 subscription and stuff like this, you might get a higher limit, as well as when you answer the questionnaire. So the more you answer correctly on the questionnaire, they might provide you with a higher limit. So these are the only ways to do this, guys. Otherwise, you can try and contact Webull support if you really need a higher limit. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.